Hello and welcome to Wallace Tech. If you're after a budget phone that puts serious focus on mobile photography without breaking the bank, the TECNO Camon 40 Pro 5G might surprise you with its features and, more importantly, its price point. Here's what we think about the phone after using it for a couple of weeks. Unbox muna natin yung phone. The Camon 40 Pro 5G has the following: a hard TPU case, documents, SIM ejector tool, the phone itself, the 45-watt charging brick, and the USB A to C cable. The phone itself feels very premium with its looks. You will most certainly mistake it for a phone na priced way higher than it's currently priced at. Ang sarap din niya hawakan sa kamay. And hindi naman siya madulas even when using for longer periods of time. You may find yourself using two hands a lot dahil din sa taas ng device, so expect to have some hamstrings once in a while. At the back is this classic side axis design inspired by swan neck aesthetics, which puts the camera on a more prominent view. Our unit in a Galaxy Black colorway also stands out for having illuminated textures as you change how you look at it. The surface is matte, resistant to fingerprints, and gives off a subtle shimmer under light. At the right side are the power and lock buttons and the volume keys, while at the left side has the very distinct orange one-tap flash snap button for direct access to the camera app. At the bottom are the dual SIM tray, the microphone, USB Type-C port, and the bottom-firing loudspeaker grill. Sa taas naman are the grill for the call speaker, an active noise-cancelling microphone, and an IR blaster. The Camon 40 Pro 5G is also IP68 and 69 dust and water resistant, which makes it good for underwater photography only in freshwater instances. We even had a demo during the launch na pwede mo rin palang gamitin yung phone underwater and charge it at the same time without having any issues at all. Display-wise, you're getting a 6.78-inch curved AMOLED screen with 144Hz refresh rate and 130 nits of peak brightness. The colors are rich, brightness is really good even on a high noon outdoors, and the fast refresh rate makes scrolling and animations feel smooth whether you're on social media or gaming. The main highlight of the phone is the 50-megapixel Sony IMX890 sensor, paired with a 2-megapixel portrait lens and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide with autofocus. The rear camera system delivers sharp and vibrant shots with good detail and solid low-light performance, especially when using super night mode. May I also share that flash tap is really good when you actually need to use it. Napakabilis ng shutter speed niya, especially in instances where we are looking at sports, travel, cars, or even just roaming pets around our area. At the front, the 50-megapixel selfie camera does well with skin tones, beauty filters, and portrait effects. Camera software like Sky Shop and Portrait Video also help content creators express more without switching apps. Under the hood, the Camon 40 Pro 5G runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 7300, an efficient and capable chip for mid-range tasks. Our unit has 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, pero meron ding available na 12GB and 512GB variant na mas mahal ng konti. So far, so good naman with the performance. Our unit does not really slow down at all, and performance is smooth even for heavy tasks and multitasking. Games like Mobile Legends, COD Mobile, and even Honor of Kings, as you see on the video, run really great. Ito, Honor of Kings at ultra settings and still very much playable. Battery life is solid with a 5,200 mAh capacity and 45-watt fast charging. Real-world use gives you around 16 hours with moderate use of social media over Wi-Fi and 5G mobile data, camera use, call and text, downloading apps, and a few rounds of playing games on the phone. Recharging takes around under an hour with a 45-watt charging brick and cable included in the package. For the price, design, and features, the TECNO Camon 40 Pro 5G hits a sweet spot for mobile shooters and casual users alike. It's for users who want a strong camera setup, especially for portrait shots, night shots, and fast shots, in a stylish device that doesn't really break the bank. At its launch price, with prices starting at 12,999 pesos, and with limited time discounts, napakaganda ng offer and the proposition it's offering into the market, especially in the lower mid-range 5G smartphone market that it's presenting to. Check out more of our TECNO Camon 40 Pro 5G review on wallacetech.com and see you around.